You're watching the Fox 5 Morning News at 9.
I think Shawlee's in the kitchen making watermelon margaritas, I hear.
You think Shawlee's in the kitchen. Of course Shawlee's in. You said watermelon and tequila, and then you'll find Shawlee right there. Adding a little spice to your 4th of July cocktails. Look who's here, one of my favorite people, owner of Spice and Leaf, Debbie Kornberg, back in the kitchen. And you came in at just the right time, because it's exactly what I want to learn how to serve tonight at my outdoor moving night.
Awesome.
Yes.
Well, happy 4th of July.
Happy 4th of July.
Yes, so watermelon is a quintessential fruit for summertime.
And July 4th weekend.
And July 4th, it's super American. So we are going to make watermelon margaritas.
Oh, Debbie.
I know.
Still my heart.
So the first thing is, you know, getting the watermelon, and you got to figure out what is the best watermelon to get.
I am so happy you're going to do this, because I cannot tell you how many times I go to like Trader Joe's and Costco and I see everybody hovering over the big box and everybody's tapping it like they know what they're looking for. So what are they doing?
They're tapping to see if it feels hollow, and if it's hollow, it means that there's a lot of water in there.
Hollow. So is this the sound of hollow?
I think so, but the truth is going to be when we cut it open together on live TV.
Okay.
The other piece you want to look for is a big creamy yellow spot.
You want this?
Yes, because
Okay.
this is where it was growing. It was growing on this side in the field, and so the longer it's there, if it's white, it's not good. It got pulled too soon. If it's a creamy yellow, as well as in the lines,
So you want yellow, creamy yellow.
Not
okay.
white. And then the last thing you can look for also is the stem. If the stem is green and not brown, it was picked too soon, and it won't ripen fully. It needs to stay on the vine, obviously.
I'm going to give a watermelon 101 class next time I see you at Costco, and I'm going to tell you all this stuff again. Okay, so cut it open. Let's see.
Okay, so here we go. Hopefully, I did good.
Is there a season for water? Is this officially
summer?
Summer is officially
thank you.
watermelon
Yes,
season.
this is a big. Thank you for assisting. Okay, here we go. Almost.
Okay.
One more cut.
Ooh, that's juicy.
It looks juicy.
I see it. Oh. Is it good?
Yeah, let's taste it. Come on.
I tasted it. It's all over my hands.
Here's a piece.
It's great.
It should have nice sugar. Okay, Javon wants a piece too. Here we go. Cameraman, everybody gets watermelon.
Oh, that's so juicy.
Okay,
now
so there we go. Well, now we've got our watermelon. You're going to cut it up into chunks.
Okay, chunks.
Put it in a Vitamix, a blender, and purify it.
Okay.
With a little bit of mint. A little freshness. Okay, so I purified it beforehand.
Okay.
And you can see the little green flakes in there, not a problem. And now we're going to fill up our shaker, because now it's margarita time. Hello.
Hello.
Thank you.
So if you have a jig, you want to do 3 of these, which is 2 ounces each, for a total of 6 ounces.
Okay.
And if you want to crack open the tequila, I am using gold. Yes.
This one?
Yes.
Okay.
The gold tequila gives it a nice rich flavor. 2 ounces of the tequila.
Is that one of these?
Yep.
Okay.
One more.
You could do a little more in there.
Debbie, I try not to show everybody what I really do on Friday night.
Okay.
I'm on TV, and this stuff lives on, you know, YouTube and everything
That's true.
forever.
Okay. 2 ounces of Contrera, which gives it a nice little orange flavor.
Okay. I haven't used that one. Okay.
And 2 ounces of lime juice.
Lime juice. Okay.
Okay. So we're gonna put that in there.
Okay.
We're gonna put this on so it doesn't go everywhere, and shake it up.
Is it?
Shake, shake, shake. No, it's good. You're good.
That's it?
Give
Now
it a
where?
good.
Oh, shake it. Come on.
There you go. Okay.
Oh, see, that's what happened. Okay, now
No
what?
worries. Okay, now if you want to take our empty glass.
Okay.
Gonna take a little bit of lime, and we can spice it up.
Yes.
Okay.
What is your spice? I usually use Tajin, so
That's
change that for me.
exactly what this is, but homemade without, you know, any
good.
preservatives.
Okay.
So it's Aleppo pepper.
Got it.
Sumac, which gives it the lemon acidic flavor, a little bit of sugar.
Okay.
And the lime juice that we put on the rim. We're gonna mix that up here. So now we've got it, and here's our jig, and we pour that in. And you are good to go. I won't pull it all the way.
Are you gonna, did you?
Oh, you can wedge that in the Tajin.
Look how cute
Homemade
this
Tajin.
is. Homemade Tajin, so we just do this.
Yeah.
And look how pretty that looks.
There it is.
So Ta-da! And you can do this non-alcoholic, just don't put in
Right,
tequila.
which I did over here in this glass.
okay.
So it's the watermelon juice, a twist of lime, and club soda.
And club soda instead. Okay.
Yes.
And you could do the watermelon juice in the morning, because I was telling you when I put it in the
Yes.
Vitamix, it gets frothy.
So I did this last night. It does get frothy. I put it in a jar and I let it sit, and it just settles down.
You brought some other munchies for us too?
I did. I have a little mango avocado salsa, some tzatziki dip, avocado, guac. Hello. Wait. Don't drink alone.
Why?
Cheers. Happy 4th of July.
So good, Debbie. I'm gonna sit in the pool and I'm gonna think of you this week, and I have one of these in private. Thank you for being here. Okay, if you want, by the way, any of Debbie's recipes or to do something like homemade and pick up these spices, you can find Debbie by just going to our website, foxspicesandiego.com. Click the Scene on tab. Okay, one more cheers. We're going to take a break. We'll be back.
Happy 4th.